Today's news from Tesla Giga Berlin is that Tesla installs portable toilets and found an easy way to catch lizards. Strange, isn't it? Tesla Giga Berlin reached a new point in the Gigafactory's construction process where it needs to install more portable toilets on its premises. Also, I'm about to show you a new drone footage and some strange markings showing how Tesla catches lizards in Giga Berlin to preserve them. Welcome back, dear subscribers and viewers. If you are here the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to receive future notifications of new videos. Our channel is not visually that great, but I promise to bring you thought-provoking topics about Tesla, electric vehicles, and particularly the Giga Berlin. Please also like this video to show your appreciation of Jürgen and Tobias, who allow me from Germany to share these Giga Berlin news updates with you that they share. If you would like to support our little channel, I will also have a PayPal link in the description of this video. So, as you see from these images, Tesla is installing portable toilets in the premises of the Gigafactory Giga Berlin. Why is this important or newsworthy to report? Well, first of all, right now in many places, especially in the United States, toilet paper is a big issue. It's the polemic of public discussion, and everybody's concerned. People go to stores and buy tons of toilet paper, and I don't know why they need that many. So that's the news right now here, main news. That's how low level we all have come as a society. That needs to be healed. But there is another big reason. My grandfather, who was a very wise and humble man, told me once that if you want to make a big construction, if you want to build something big, there are two things you must do. First, you build the road to the construction site. And we have seen Tesla doing this. We have seen the roads going to the construction. Second, you build a toilet so the workers can use it. I was a child when I heard this saying long years ago, and I even at that time I remember, yeah, this is wise. People need toilets. So this is why once I saw these portable toilets installed in Giga Berlin, I thought I would report it. Also, this is a sign that Tesla has reached a new level of construction. That means more workers are going to come. The area, the premises of Gigafactory 4 are going to be busier with more people. So maybe new level of construction work is going to start. And I say this in anticipation of Giga Berlin's groundbreaking. If any one of you hearing this video podcast have construction background, let me know what you think. Maybe you can give better idea. I don't know, I'm not a construction professional. As you are looking at them, let's now take a look at these strange marks. You know what are they for? Tesla wants to catch the lizards that possibly live in the premises of the Giga Berlin, to move the lizards, to move them to more safe areas. Here you are seeing the excavation and bucket prints. There are buckets that are sunk. These are buckets that are sunk under the mats into the ground to catch lizards. This is smart, isn't it? And I also have a new drone footage from Jürgen, who is a close view, which is a close view over the fence from the northern part of the Tesla's Gigafactory 4. Unfortunately, it's not much of the construction progress can be seen from this perspective, but the sunset is beautiful, isn't it? Well, let me know what you think. Let's continue the discussion as we always do in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you can, support us, and also like this video to show your appreciation of Jürgen, Tobias, and all the people who helped me to bring this daily chronicling Gigafactory in Berlin, Giga Berlin. And stay safe, care for one another, love your neighbor, and I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed rest of the day.
you.